Good morning to all. Welcome to my channel. I am Devaram Mohan. Today we are going to study about the circles class 9 length of chord. Go to the picture. Look this picture. Is this perpendicular? Divide the chord into two equal parts. Look this picture. This perpendicular, so is this divide it into equal parts? Yes. By the perpendicular bisector theorem, if you draw from the center to the chord a perpendicular mean, it divides the chord into two equal parts. Okay. So, and here it is 90 degree. Okay. And we want to find out the length of chord. Imagine, do you have any method coming in your mind? So, can we draw two radius from here to here? Are you agree with that? Look. So, the picture will be like this. Here look, divide the chord into two equal parts. If we draw radius, then it will, what type of triangle here forming here? We want to find out the length of chord. If it is a, imagine a well and a net is covered like this, so blue, normally net what color will be? Blue color. So we want to find out this length of chord here. Okay, these are the situation coming where length of chord, and we want to find out the length of chord here. So imagine circle and a chord, and we want to find out the length of chord. So for that, their perpendicular distance is drawn, means it having dividing it into equal parts. So, and here I am asking some question. What type of triangle here forming? Here forming right angle triangle. Very good. And here we are putting radius, means what? Radius from here to here, draw a line, means it will be radius. And what is the difference between the radius and the diameter? Very good. A chord passes through the center, that is said to be the diameter, and 2 times of radius is the diameter. Very good. So we can we name it as, here from the distance from center to the chord, can we name it as D, and here it is radius, and the length of chord, can we name it as L. So from here up to here distance, what will become? L by 2. Okay. State Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square will be equal to length square plus altitude square. Very good. Where hypotenuse come? Here it is 90 degree. Opposite to it said to be hypotenuse. Very good. Therefore, r square will be equal to, up to here L by L. So up to here what? L by 2. R square will be equal to L by 2 square plus D square. So we want to find out the L by length. So how we will find? L should go to the LHS and R should come to the RHS. Therefore we will get the length of chord L equal to L by 2 whole square will be equal to R square minus D square. So L is what? L equal to 2 into root of R square minus D square. The length of chord can be found by the formula L equal to 2 into root of R square minus D square. Did you get? So can we go to the problem based on this? So how you got this? If you didn't understand, again go back to the video and rewind it. Okay, so you will understand. Up to here the length is chord of the circle is L. So up to here length is L by 2. L by 2 whole square will be equal to Pythagoras theorem. Using we get root of R square. L by 2 whole square will be equal to R square minus D square. So L by 2 will be equal to root of R square minus D square. So length will be equal to what? By 2. Go to there, it will become multiplied by 2. So length of chord equal to L equal to 2 into root of R square minus D square. So can we do some problem based on this? If perpendicular distance is 3 cm and radius is 5 cm, then find the distance of chord. So how we will find the distance of chord? Distance of chord equal to root of Very good. Root of So length of chord equal to 2 into root of r square minus d square. Here r equal to 5. Therefore 2 into root of 5 square minus d equal to 3. Therefore 2 into root of 5 square minus 3 square, that is 2 into root of 25 minus 9, that is 2 into 4 equal to 8. The answer is 8. Okay. Can we go to the follow-up activity? If a diameter is 8 cm and perpendicular distance is 2 cm, find the distance of chord. This is the homework question. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Wish you all good luck.